Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and I am going to unbox something here that I've literally had here for a month, you guys. Krafts, if you're watching, I'm sorry, I apologize. I appreciate that you sent this to me. It just came at a time in my life when, well, you guys know, too much happened. Too much happened. I didn't realize this was all taped here too, so I'm trying to undo the tape, sorry. All right, so anyhow, I got this a month ago. Like I said, I was able to pick this out. Goodness, how am I going to get it open? I don't know. Let's see. You can already tell what it is, right? It is a paint by number. So let's see if this works. Okay, there we go. Perfect. So Krafts comes in this nice box. It was in a bag as well to protect it. And it says, here's their website. How is Krafts different? They license their artwork. And it's a paint by number, okay? There is some information on the back of the box as well. Let's see what's on the back. On the back, it tells us what our contents are. It tells us how to start, gives us some directions. Nice box. It's in a frame, has a holder for the paints. I love the organization of it. It's very nice. All right, let's get into it. Ooh, looky. More information here. How you can turn your craft box into an easel. Look at that. Turn your craft box into an easel. Put your painting on it. Nice. You could display it. How to start, again, lots of directions and things like that. That's awesome. It's all right here in your box. Love that. Okay, so this is what I got. I picked out one that I thought was going to be, not too difficult. So let's see what all we get. Oh, we have numbers for our paints. I'm certain those go on the paint pots. We have a little card that says thank you and more information. You can save 25% off on your next order. Hey, okay. All right, what else do we have? Let's just get everything out. Ooh, the paints are in this little envelope in the box. Look, let me show you this. My dog is whining. See this little envelope? The paints are all in here. They're all like sealed up in here. Oh, look at that's the holder. Here's the paints, and all comes in this little envelope. This doesn't come off, it's attached. All right, so I'm just going to empty the box. We got brushes, we got that, and we got that. Okay, so when I put this back away, I'll just slide the little paints right in the little envelope. Okay, let's move the box out of the way. Nice box. I like how organized it all is. That's nice. All right, so let's look at all the goodies here first. What's it come with? Well, this is for the paints to put on the pots. Comes with 4 brushes. Yeah, 4 brushes. That's nice. Okay. Comes with lots of hanging apparatus, how to hang your painting when you're done. It comes with this little sheet here that tells us there's our picture, so that's what it's going to look like. Isn't that pretty? Sorry, I hit one wrong button and it all just... Anyhow, here is the picture. It's this pretty, colorful owl with flowers. And then here's all of the colors. I think, is this a sticker? I don't know. No, maybe it's just a thick card. No, it wants to, I don't know. Anyhow, there's the colors. Please follow this color guide. Label each paint pot with a sticker, 1 through 24. All right, so there's the colors. And here is the paints. So they just come in a bag like this. All right, so you'll have to put them in the little holder. They give you a nice little holder to put your paints in. I'm not gonna, you can fold it and make it stand up and all that stuff. I'm not gonna do all that because I'm just gonna leave it flat in the box for now. But you can fold it, it makes this little stand. Put all your paints in here, and then you put your little number stickers on here. So you have to follow your guide, like number 1 is 000, so you find that paint color here and label accordingly, okay? You get how that works? I get how it works. I hope you do. All right, so then it comes with this sheet of paper, which is a guide, nice guide. It tells you, in case, they always give you this in case you have painted over numbers on your canvas, you have it on your paper here to look at. There's some little tiny things in here. I don't know if I'm going to get those or not. Look at how little those are. Those are itty bitty. itty bitty ones over here too. I'm gonna need a magnifying glass for some of those. But so that's your paper guide to look at in case you can't see something here or you've painted over something. And here is the canvas. So it's a stretched canvas. So it has their name on the back and everything. Wow. And it's all printed on here for you. Where's that little tiny section? It's right here. Yeah. I'm not going to be able to read those. I'm not going to be able to see those. Can you? I don't think so. I don't know. These little tiny little pieces are like 2 and 3 colors and 4 colors. Oh, those are small. Anyhow, we'll do the best that we can do, right? But it's all prepared to paint on. It looks really nice. It's going to be this beautiful owl. How cool, right? So that's what I got. Thank you, Krafts, for sending it to me so I can show everybody. Something I haven't tried, right? I have purchased a couple of paint by numbers, but I haven't actually attempted to do one yet. Maybe I'll tinker around with it. I can do this. I can do this one. Anyhow, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. So, yeah, you know what? I think if I mess up, this is the little area right here with all the numbers. I think if I mess that up, nobody's going to know, right? I could just do some sort of purple, blue, pink smear and nobody would know the difference, would they? I don't think so. All right. So that's what I got. Check out Krafts. They do have diamond paintings as well. And I think they actually have more paint by numbers than they do diamond paintings, but they're always adding stuff to their collection and they're a very nice company. So I might have a discount code. I don't know. I have to go back and check my email. If I do, I'll put it here. If I have a discount code for you, I'll let you know. Okay. All right. That's what I have to show you. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a great day. Let me know if you've ever done paint by number before. And what do you think about it? All right. Okay. I will talk to you guys real soon. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.